He's going, where's my bread? Where's my bread? Can I get some more bread from the bag, Jack?
Okay.
Right, you ready, Jack? Break it off into little bits. Right, Jack, ready look?
There's my bread.
Don't throw it at him. Throw it down here, Jack, look. Down here, look. That's it, down here, look.
That's some bread. Okay. Go on.
You've got to get his attention, Jack. You've got to throw it over there, look.
I think I was so far. Hey!
Come here, pass some bread, look, Jack. I'll get him over here, look. Ready? Jack, come here.
I can do it.
You can do it.
I'll give him over. He's all up there. He won't have my tummy ache. Oh, I must. Wow, the ball's so big now.
There's a cheeky duck over there trying to get some without the swan noticing. Look. Here he comes, look.
Hi!
He's alright, he's okay. You've got to share, haven't you?
I think he's there. That is nice.
Oh, look, Jack. Look. They're fighting, look.
Where are they fighting?
Look, there. Bread. Oh, I can visit. There you are, big. There you go, yeah. Good daddy.
Oh, I know, you silly closet. What are you doing, Daddy? Oh, look at that, look.
He's a nice animal.
Should we save some for the other duckies now, Jack? No more now, yeah? Yeah, that's what I got there.
Alright, there's no other ducks, fine. Still got that bread in your duck.
Right.
Big.
Are we going to say goodbye to the swan?
That's right.
We're going to find some more for the duck, shall we?